First thing we want to do is make sure we have the tools we need for the hardware. So at least to get started, we'll need a 5mm hex bit, we'll need a 10mm socket or wrench. We'll also need an 8. And then, of course, we'll have to come back with a torque wrench and make sure everything's locked down appropriately. So we're gonna go ahead and get started mounting front left bracket. These two. If you do not have threads here, they give you the bracket. And because I already have threaded spots, I can't lay it flat, but it would lay in with that hooked on, and it'll give you those 2 mounting spots to thread to. Now we'll line up like that. Get the 2 bolts up top. We'll get the 2 screws on the outside. Alright, so I got a couple of the bolts started. Maybe you can see them there. Alright, so we had to move into the garage. Had some rain start up. Using the 10 ratchet to lock down these bolts. Uh, 8mm. I've already tightened these down, but that's what you'll want to use. Trying to figure out if there's anything fun we have to do for the left rear. So it looks like we lucked out again. And once I get this started, we'll be right back and I'll show you what we did. 2 bolts there. So brackets are ready. Before putting on the running board, see how that fits. And repeat the same thing on the other side. These screws go up underneath the bracket into the bottom. Alright, that's all tightened.